Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to CIVIL53. In the previous video, we had learned how to prepare and print sheets in AutoCAD. In this video, we will have an overview of construction practices. There are many construction practices or processes which are applied in the construction of residential building, commercial building and public buildings. Following are the various basic construction practices are being done in the construction processes: excavation or earthwork, foundation, concreting work or R.C.C work, masonry work, plastering, pointing, waterproofing, doors and window work and steel fabrication work, plumbing, flooring, electric fitting work, painting, flooring and painting comes under the part of finishing. Before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Let's start with excavation or earthwork. Excavation is the process of moving earth, rock or other materials with tools, equipment or explosives. It also includes trenching, wall shafts, tunneling and underground. It's the preliminary activity of construction project. So, excavation is done for various types of foundation depending upon the type of building and its load. In engineering, a foundation is the element of a structure which connects it to the ground and transfers loads from the structure to the ground. Foundations are generally considered either shallow foundation or deep foundation. After foundation, next practice is concreting. BCC, that is plain cement concrete, is placed over the foundation trench or bits on which footing is further casted by concreting, which is further following the concreting work in columns, beam, slab, lintels, etc. In R.C.C buildings, that is reinforced cement concrete buildings. In case of load-bearing buildings or structure, PCC is done on the foundation, which is further followed by footing work done in UCR, masonry, that is unchorused masonry, up to the plinth level, which is further followed by the wall construction done in brick masonry work, over which the R.C.C slab is casted by concreting. Fourth, masonry work. In R.C.C structure, after casting work of frame, the next construction practice is brick or concrete block masonry, which acts as partition walls. After masonry work is completed in both R.C.C and load-bearing structure, the next construction practice is plastering. Plastering is the process of covering rough walls and uneven surfaces in the construction of houses and other structures with a plastic material called plaster, which is a mixture of lime or cement concrete and sand along with the required quantity of water. 6. Pointing. The technique of repairing mortar joints between bricks or other masonry elements. When aging mortar joints crack and disintegrate, the defective mortar is removed by hand or power tool and replaced with fresh mortar, preferably of the same composition as original. Note that pointing work is especially done in case of stone masonry work. 7th, waterproofing. Waterproofing is the process of making an object or structure waterproof or water resistant so that it remains relatively unaffected by water or resisting the ingress of water under specified conditions. Such items may be used in wet environments or underwater to specified depths. 8. Doors and window work and steel fabrication work. It's the practice to install the door shutter and windows. 9th, plumbing. System of pipes and fixtures installed in a building for the distribution and use of water and the removal of waterborne wastes. 10th, flooring. It is the general term for a permanent covering of floor or for the work of installing such a floor covering. 11th, electrical fitting work. After the electrical fitting work is done, the last construction practice or process is painting work. Cement paint is applied over the external plastering, and any desired paint like oil pound distemper, oil paint, plastic paint, Lotzer paint is applied over the internal plastering work. So by this we can conclude this tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then please like the video, share it with your friends, leave a comment below and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture, Insha Allah.